He's been quick in the way.
Good timing as well, I think. It's his third just behind us. And,
quality this morning on the third round will try
the sport, but we make a very good. It's going to be tough, but anyway, we have to try to stop him. But it's
points on the track where you feel
he's making a. So look at when he break the collarbone.
I don't know anything about racing, but
It's been absolutely amazing. Give him a fight until the end of the race.
I thought we had an interview with.
It's been amazing. He's the only one splitting age here, so it's going to be tough to fight with the Ducati, and we know that.
But we'll take a little break. When we come back, deep breath time. Welcome back. Neil Hodgson is in the commentary.
Alex Marquez and a hungry chasing. Local time here in Texas, but as we get ready for the off, he's got the circuit of the Americas. Considering what we've seen here for the next session, we had damp patches. I think it's a bit of a tailwind down the back. A step ahead, he had his first. How do they make life hard for him? And he thought the same. I think some Tottenham. I watched that quite a while back. Put up in something last year, didn't he? Yes. Had to see him pulling over to the left-hand side of the corners. That's how you beat Marc Marquez today. Well, I've no idea. Maybe he's trying to talk himself on, isn't it? Just keep an eye on the ride break. So there's a lot happening before. He is the clear favourite, but we're underway. It's a good start from 0-2. Bagnaia takes over. Oh, Bagnaia takes back. This is who leads from Marc Marquez. This one at 3. Wow. Through that was such one of those moves that you don't need. Frankie Morbidelli wide.
Quartararo trying to pick up the pieces.
He's up really wide. That's where they see he gets past Pedro Costa. Excellent Bagnaia. We haven't seen that yet. So someone's gone wide and front again. Now Alex comes through in
a couple of positions, got straight.
Costa's having a rare old scrap.
Hold on to this.
Full scenes on the opening last that aren't fully set up for these now. Joan Mir looking riders that are bottoming out in the braking. Gian Antonio wide at turn 12. Do that on a Honda in the last couple of years.
Well, they've stayed level. The 25
to his rhythm now as he comes through. The mark has just at a 2:02 point. It was a Costa. It looked like was.
As a 16-year-old
in MotoGP, and just is strong here. He's trying to take the.
I won't say making a which obviously in previous years
go through turn 12 a little bit. Waro can at least race in 6th.
Been the braking zone down to turn 12,
haven't we? Who's never got on with this
mixed conditions. Alex Marquez. We've seen him do it in previous years. We've seen him have
times though. He is half a second slower. It was a big warning, wasn't it, for Marc Marquez?
Turn 17, 4th gear.
Marquez, of course.
Easy one in America alone.
Seal an 8th win here. Off the front down there to turn 15.
You feel like he's having to make and quick reactions saved it.
Costa, but he's come back here.
Yeah,
and he's
definitely because at that point, especially the slower
again at that turn 1.
You'd have said a year really laughed, but Alex Marquez has been
pick up some useful points. Here we go. Has just got ahead of him, but Pedro
he's hard to beat. Is Pedro?
He was going to wonder if Mark's had another moment here.
Opposition. It was a scrappy
qualifying time. In fact, fully. This is Mir sliding out.
From Mir. Crashed, just beat Gian Antonio on Fabio Quartararo. Ever have the privilege to
and that's him trying to just down the straight.
And look at it, look at that. You can see it. You missed the apex ever so slightly.
And down and rests his head on his to his younger brother. Coming easily.
No, not at all.
This looks a bit more scrappy here. over the top through pretty much on the same tyres, just Johan.
This championship after just 2 rounds.
So he's now back in 10th, is Maverick.
I think Frankie's peripheral vision.
He's also going to come through.
Him.
Of course he is. At the front, you can see top left, the gap between
What
marks.
you need to do now is just hold your line.
Exactly. Who's curved?
Oh.
Quartararo on the inside,
Inside a Digi.
where he's just lost the front out of Alex now. This is
Great move.
Quartararo.
To block him.
No. 9th, Bezecchi 10th. What's up to Maverick? Maybe a problem for him. But get past these two luminous.
The door for me.
You see the slide up and over the crest. There's Iagutted coming here. Here is Bez.
The fastest bike normally side of him.
Ooh, but that's a little
Then it's
bit
snap. Once it snaps
out to 1.5 seconds. So either Alex. We saw the tyres marked.
there's nothing you can do about it. You literally are up.
At the circuit of the Americas. Sprint win, easy. And I still wouldn't say it's necessary. Gain. I think you said it, didn't you, earlier this week?
That's if anyone's got that comment, yeah. Nah, not quite.
On board with
Bike's off the ground if they come from that far back.
Mark's lead.
Yeah,
Down to a second again. So Fernandez ahead of him in 18th. Then Raul 13th. Expect him to come forward in the was 8 tenths.
About a second. It was a second.
We'll have a look through the first split any moment.
This is not done.
Just of a second. Down to turn 11. They go straight now. There we go. There's Mark. Got through on Binder for 9th place. Able to just see his brother out his provision on in this sprint race. His 100% record for the Marquez brothers. Pecco Bagnaia, Acosta 7th, Marini as Marc Marquez shakes hands.
Work for it, and
Celebrations once again for Marc Marquez. And what could tomorrow's Grand Prix have in store? We saw the tyres marked.
there's nothing you can do about it. You literally are up.
At the circuit of the Americas. Sprint win, easy. And I still wouldn't say it's necessary. Gain. I think you said it, didn't you, earlier this week?
That's if anyone's got that comment, yeah. Nah, not quite.
On board with
Bike's off the ground if they come from that far back.
Mark's lead.
Yeah,
Down to a
down
second
to a
again.
second.
So Fernandez ahead of him in 18th. Then Raul 13th. Expect him to come forward in the was 8 tenths.
About a second. It was a second.
We'll have a look through the first split any moment.
This is not done.
Just of a second. Down to turn 11. They go straight now. There we go. There's Mark. Got through on Binder for 9th place. Able to just see his brother out his provision on in this sprint race. His 100% record for the Marquez brothers. Pecco Bagnaia, Acosta 7th, Marini as Marc Marquez shakes hands.
Work for it, and
Celebrations once again for Marc Marquez. And what could tomorrow's Grand Prix have in store?
Itu lagian nggak lihat ada Pak polisi di situ. Banyak banget preman tuh. Banyak banget preman di sini, teman-teman. Duh, tapi senjata kita mau habis, teman-teman. Minggir. Hei, lu ngapain di sini, ha? Nakal. Bangun. Main keroyokan. Oh, kalian mau main keroyokan. Mereka main keroyokan, teman-teman. Astaga. Tadi ajar. Woi. Main keroyokan. Hah? Lu. Astaga. Istri ceweknya. Astaga. 2 lawan 1. Oke. Kola Denny. Woi. Astaga, tepar. Woi. Ini 3 lawan 1 lagi. Astaga. Woi, semua lawan kita nih. Oh. Siapa? Lu kan yang tadi. Kita main keroyokan beraninya. Woi, semua lawan kita nih. Astaga. Bangun. Lu. Wih, mereka semua lawan kita nih. Wih, mereka main keroyokan. Wih, terlalu banyak teman-teman. Mending kita lari aja dulu lah. Kita tabrak mereka. Astaga, kita diseret. Kita dikejar massa. Lari. Wih, bintang 1. Anjing. Oh, bapaknya berani. Berani. Wih, bintang 2 teman-teman. Duh. Ada bintang 2 lagi. Aduh, ini mobil polisi ada 2 sini. Oi. Astaga. Lari. Wih, banyak banget. Wih. Astaga. Weh, ampun Pak, ampun. Lari. Aduh, darah kita mau habis. Aduh, jangan mati dulu lah. Aduh, kita cari darah di mana ya? Cari darah dulu. Darah. Di tempat persembunyian gini kayaknya biasanya ada darah, teman-teman. Astaga. Weh. Pak, sabar dulu. Apanya menghalangi kita, teman-teman? Ini apa nih? Apa sih? Wah, darah putih. Oke. Woi, senjata kita habis, teman-teman. Tapi kita dapat darah putih, teman-teman. Mana mereka? Mending kita udah dapat darah putih. Aduh, senjata kita habis, teman-teman. Mana? Wih, langsung 2 polisi. Astaga. Astaga.